Today we are going to learn discourse. One of the major discourses, letter writing. I am N. Nagendra Prasad, TGT English from TTWURJC, Boys Tirumalayapalam. In our previous class, we learned what is discourse, types of discourses, uses of discourses. So, we have already learned we have 17 discourses. Among 17 discourses, 11 are major, the rest are minor. Among major discourses, letter writing is one of the discourses. Now, we are going to learn letter writing. Letter writing. Foremost, let us know how many types of letters are there. Personal letters, business letters, or professional letters, or formal letters. We have only two types of letters. They are personal or business letters. Now let us discuss about personal letters. Personal letters are those which we write to our relatives and friends. Such letters should be written in an easy, free, and conversational style. They are of the nature of friendly talk. The sentences should be short and simple. All these are the qualities of personal letters. While writing personal letters, you should have a note of these important points. Format of the letters. We have different formats of writing letters. Let us check them. Number one, conventional way of writing. Number two, blocked. Number three, fully blocked. Today, let us go through the conventional format. Conventional format means the old pattern, and since years, since ages, it has been following. Nowadays, the format of letter writing is changed. But for most, let us learn conventional format. Before going to learn the conventional format, let us know the parts of the letter. We have around 6 parts. They are heading and date, the salutation, body of the letter, leave taking or subscription, signature, and to address. These 6 parts are very essential and important of writing any letter. Let us know about each one. In conventional letter, let us know heading and date, where should we write, how should we write. This is the writer's address written without his signature, written at the top right hand corner of the letter. Top right hand corner means this is the top right hand corner. Wait 1 minute. This is the top right hand corner of this page. Okay, for most we have to write name of the village. Now we are in Tirumalayapalam, so I write Tirumalayapalam. Today's date is 13th July 2020. In conventional pattern, after writing the name of the village, we have to put a comma. While writing date, need to write 13 July, comma 2020, lastly full stop. This is the first part. The salutation. Salutation is nothing but greeting. The salutation or greeting should be put on the left hand side of the letter and a little lower than the date. In the above heading and date, I said heading and date should be written here in the right top corner of the page. But the salutation, the salutation should be written just lower than this and left side of the page in this place. Let's check. A comma should be put after the salutation. That's very important. The ways of salutation, in how many ways we have to address somebody else, greeting somebody else. Let us check. To members of the family or our relatives. Example, dear mother, comma, my dear mother, comma. Notice here, dear mother, D capital letter, M capital letter. But in my dear mother, M capital letter, after that mother is capital. Do not write D capital letter here. Dear brother, my dear brother. Here comma has to write. To friends. Suppose if you want to write letter to your friends, for example, how to greet them. Dear Ravi, comma, my dear Ravi. To acquaintances means friends not so close. They're friends but not so close, are like our neighbors. Examples, dear Mr. Ravi. Do you understand what is the difference between friends and friends not so close? We have to use Mr. Suppose they are, if she is female gender, dear Miss Ramya. Suppose he is a doctor, dear Dr. Krishna. Like that we have to write. This is the second step, the salutation. It is very important. Body of the letter. The third one is body of the letter. The body of the letter should begin a little below the salutation. Usually we write salutation here. Suppose let us think the salutation is written here. Then just we have to start from here, just below. If the letter is long, break it into paragraphs. Suppose it is 2-3 pages letter. You have to break it into paragraphs. See that the language used should be simple and direct because it's personality. There should be brevity. What do you mean by brevity? Means shortness. And courtesy. Courtesy means good manner while writing personality. It should be without spelling and grammatical mistakes. Put correct punctuation marks where required. This is important points while writing in your mind, body of the letter. Next and fourth, leave taking or subscription. It's very important. Most of the children doing mistakes while writing the subscription. After completing, this is the the body of the letter, we should write the leave taking to the right side of the sheet. Suppose this is the body of the letter. Think this all body of the letter. You have to write a subscription in this area. Okay. Next, there should be no apostrophe in yours. It's very important, boys. Y-O, you are your. After that, many people, many children keep apostrophe in between R and S, but it's wrong. Yours is itself a possessive case, so need not to keep any apostrophe here. The first letter should be a capital letter, means in yours you have to write Y capital. A comma is put after leave taking. After completion of leave taking, you have to keep a comma. The body, leave taking, and signature should be written on the same page. You must keep in mind this point. Examples. I give beautiful examples here. Let's check. The relatives. If you want to write a letter to your mother, father, brother, anyone, you have to write yours affectionately, comma, or yours lovingly, or your affectionate son. Just find the difference between these two. Yours affectionately, if you keep a plural form, yes, then it becomes affectionately. Suppose if you want to write who you are here, your affectionate son, do not keep any yes here. Your loving son, etc. Suppose it is meant for your friends, to your friends, you have to say yours sincerely, yours lovingly. Sometimes you can write your loving friend also. Now, the last but one, signature. The signature of the writer should be put just below the leave taking. Where leave taking close, then you have to write just below it the signature. Taking on the right side, this area. It should always be handwritten, written. No full stop is required after the signature. All must very important points. If you made any mistake here, make any mistake here, you will lose marks. And last one, to address. It's also very important. This to address should be written neatly on the envelope in general. In the examination, we write on the left hand side just below the signature. Example, to M. Satyanarayana, son of Raja Rao, door number 7-132, Gout Hospital Road, Khammam 507002. Let me give one model format here. Model letter, model format letter. Tirumalayapalam, this is heading and date 13th July 2020 on the top right corner. Next, salutation or greeting, my dear sister. After that, comma. This is body of the letter. I am quite well. Okay. And this is called leave taking. Subscription. Yours affectionately. This is signature. I write ABCD here. Lastly, to address. To Miss Radhika, door number 3-140 by A, Railway Station Road, Khammam, Telangana. Okay, children, do you understand how to write conventional format of personal letter? Let me give later some examples, some model letters on conventional writing of letters. Thank you very much.